Hi, today we're going to work on lesson 3-5 in your math book. It starts on page 179. And this lesson is working with adding doubles plus 2. So we're looking at numbers that are close to doubles, but they're 2 away from each other. So let's get started. It says, Carlos and I each find 5 shells. What doubles fact shows how many seashells we have in all? So if they each have 5, we're going to have 5 plus 5. So our doubles fact is 5 plus 5 equals 10. Remember, the more you know these doubles facts, the easier these lessons will be. If Carlos finds 2 more seashells, how could you find how many seashells there are in all? Well, we can say, well, they already had 10, and then he found 2 more, so we can just add 2 more to our 10. And 10 plus 2 is 12. So he found a total of 7. She still had 5. 7 plus 5 would also be 12. All right, so let's look inside. Now, the book gives us 2 different ways that we could do these doubles plus 2. But it's a little confusing, so we're going to stick with the one that I think is the easiest way to find the answers to these. It says these are called doubles plus 2 facts. If you look, 6 and 8 are just 2 steps away from each other. 6, 7, 8. So it's like a double, but 2 more. 9 plus 7, 7, 8, 9. 2 steps away from each other, so it's kind of a double plus 2 more. So that's what they're going to be using. These are also called near doubles. It tells us there are different ways to solve, but we're only going to do the one. We're going to double the smaller number, the lesser number. Then we'll add 2. So let's say we have 6 plus 8. We're going to take the smaller number 6 and double it. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Then we're going to add the 2 more to get to that 8 there. So 12 plus 2 is 14. So 6 plus 8 is 14. So this is another way to do it, and we're going to go ahead and skip over that for right now. So number 1 tells us we have 6 plus 6. Okay, so we have 6 plus 6. So what we're going to do is, instead of having this extra blue one here, I'm going to add it over here. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 6. So I'm going to say 6 plus 6 is 12. And then I'm going to add these 2 more, 1, 2, to that 12. So 13, 14. So 6 plus 8 is 14. All right, now that was designed for the other way, but I just kind of changed it around a little bit. So erase this one, pretend it's not there, and put it over here for the 2 extras. Number 2, 5 plus 7. So our smaller numbers are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we start with our doubles. 5 plus 5 is 10. Then we add the 2 extras on. 10 plus 2, 11, 12. So 5 plus 7 is 12. Here we have 10 plus 8. So we take our 8 plus 8, our smaller number, and if you know your doubles facts, 8 plus 8 is 16. Then we add the 2 extras for this 10. 16, 17, 18. So 10 plus 8 is 18. Now this one I'm going to change again. I'm going to cross this one off and put it up here. So we're just going to move this one up to the top. So now we take our doubles. We have 7 plus 7, that's our smaller number, and then we add 2 more to get to that 9. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Then we say 15, 16. So 7 plus 9 is 16. So now, our independent practice, if you feel like you're comfortable doing this on your own, go right ahead, or you can stay with me and keep working with me. All right, so it says draw 2 more cubes, use a doubles fact to help you add. So 10 plus 8, we're going to start with our smaller number, 8 plus 8, which is what we have right here, and that equals 16. Then we're going to add 2 more to get to this 10. And so if we add 2 more, that'll be 17, 18. 10 plus 8 is 18. Here, 9 is our smaller number. This is what we have right here. We have 9 plus 9, which will give us 18. See, it's much easier if you know your doubles facts. And then I'm going to add 2 more down here to get to this 11. So now we're going to add 2 more, 18, 19, 20. So 9 plus 11 is 20. Here we start with our smaller number 6. So we have 6 plus 6 equals 12. And then I have to add 2 more to get to that 8 up here. So 12, 13, 14. So 8 plus 6 is 14. 7 plus 5. 5 is our smaller number, so we have 5 plus 5 already drawn in. Now I need to make this one into 7, so I put 2 more on. And now 5 plus 5 is 10, and now we count these two, 11, 12. So 7 plus 5 is 12. 4 plus 6, our smaller number is 4. Here we go. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now I have to make this one into 6, so I add 2 more. And so I add 2 more to this, 8, 9, 10. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Number 10, we have 3 plus 5. We're going to start by adding our smaller number, 3 plus 3. We want that doubled. That equals 6. Then I have to add 2 more to this one to make 5. So we had 6, and now we have 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 is 8. Number 11 does not give us exact numbers, so I'm just going to pick one. It says use a doubles or a doubles plus 2 fact to help you write an equation for the problem. Draw cubes to help you. Dan makes a red cube train, and it doesn't tell us how big, so I'm just going to say 2. Kay makes a yellow cube train. Now yellow won't show up, so I'm going to use orange. All right. And so we're going to start with the same 2. And it says Kay's train has 2 more cubes than Dan's. So now I have the 2 extra. How many cubes do they have in all? So here we have 2 plus 2 is 4. All right. And then 2 more would be 6. So we take our doubles and we get 4. And then we add 2 more and we get 6. All right. Let's look on page 182, we have some word problems. All right, it says Kelly and Eric each make 6 sandcastles. Then Kelly makes 2 more. How many sandcastles did the 2 friends make in all? Write an addition sentence. So I'm going to say, well, they both started with 6, so I have a doubles fact. 6 plus 6, and that equals 12. Then Kelly makes 2 more. So that means Kelly now is up to 8, huh? If we add 6 plus 2, that gives us 8. So we're going to add 2 more to this. So now we have 8 plus 6, so we're going to add 2 more. 12 plus 2, 13, 14. So 8 plus 6 equals 14 sandcastles. All right, Mark finds 8 shells. Sue finds 2 more than Mark. Together they find 18 shells. How many shells did Sue collect? So Mark finds 8. Sue finds 2 more than Mark. So what is 8 plus 2? Okay, that's 8, 9, 10. So Sue found 10, and then if you put them all together, they would have 18 shells. So Sue collected 10 because she found 2 more than Mark's 8. All right. Number 14 again is one that does not give us exact numbers. It says use a doubles plus 2 fact to help you write an equation for the problem. Then solve. There are some fish in a pond. Some fish are silver, some fish are gold. There are 2 more goldfish than silverfish. How many fish are there in all? So now I'm just going to kind of plug in numbers. Let's say that there are 4 silver. 1, 2, 3, 4 silver. And says there are 2 more gold than silver. So we have our 4 from the silver and then 2 more. So we have 4 silver and 6 gold. So if we go ahead and add our doubles, 4 plus 4 is 8, and then we have 2 more, 9, 10. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. All right, number 15. Ben sees 7 crabs. Jamie sees 9 crabs. How many crabs did they see in all? Which should you use to find how many crabs Ben and Jamie saw in all? Well, Ben saw 7. Jamie sees 9. How many more than 7 is that? 7, 8, 9. That's 2. That would be like 7 plus 2 more, right? If we went with the smallest number. So this one's not going to work. 7 plus 9 is exactly what they saw. There wasn't one more anywhere, so that one doesn't work. How about 7 plus 2? Here we take our doubles fact, 7 plus 7, and then we add the 2 more for the 9. So that one works. Letter D, 9 plus 9 is using the bigger number to add doubles. And remember, that doesn't work. We have to add the smaller number and then add the 2 more. So letter C is our correct answer. All right, we are done for today with this. Tomorrow we will look at the next couple of pages in this lesson.